we should do. Let's get started. Well, first slime ingredient. Wait, James. First of all, what kind of slime are you making? And what color is it going to be?
Fluffy red slime.
Well, I'm making glittery teal slime. So, I can glue first.
Fluffy slime. I mean, red.
I'm going to add about that much.
Okay, I don't think
James.
this works. I don't think this works.
Just stick your finger in it. That's what I do. Really? Oh, you have to sleep on one. I'm going to add a bit of shaving cream to mine. It's not going to be like a fluffy version, but just like that much. You need a lot more. Get it out. Get all of it out. It's just fine. And I'm going to add one thing.
Can you do it?
No, you need to add in glue first.
That is glue.
No, this glue.
Okay. I'll add it in for my first time.
Then I'm going to stir my slime up with shaving cream and lotion and glue. Not fully slime yet, but that'll do.
Good. That looks good.
Yep, that's a good amount.
Okay, what do I do?
Shaving cream. I'll tell you when to stop. That's a good amount for fluffy slime. Lotion. Lotion makes your slime a lot stickier.
Huh? Oh no, I'm not like sticky slime.
Oh, then don't add in lotion, dude. Mix it. You got one thing of red in there. Wow. Or you could just, at the end when your hand is already messy, you could stick your finger in there and combine it.
See? I'm sorry.
Alright, now I'm going to add some glitter. You want to add the glitter in first because it kind of activates it. And I chose blue and green because that's kind of the teal color, you know. That was brand new. Never use your teeth.
Is this a professional slime? I'm not. I'm new. Can't do that. More pink. That's cute.
I think that's good. Maybe like that much is probably good.
You want to add the activator.
When it's fully colored and fluffy and yeah. I'll tell you when. First, get it the color you want. Ooh, that's a good sound. I like that sound. There's a lot more blue than green. Now let's stir the glitter in. If you're making glitter slime, you want to stir the glitter in first because it kind of activates your slime. But with this glitter. Is that the color you like? Okay, add it a little bit at a time.
I don't want glitter.
Okay, then said if you're making glitter slime. So to make it teal, you actually don't need blue. You need just
Okay, I
green.
did not know.
So I'm gonna add in a bit
What did I
of
put
green.
in? I think I put a little too much.
Whatever. It was the first batch, so the first batch doesn't really matter. And you want some green paint. Come out! Okay, I'll just add in the paint at the end when it's fully mixed in, so. Actually, I just won't add in paint. I changed my mind. Get off my knees.
Sticking out my nose.
See, James? See, you don't want to add in too much.
Now what do I do?
Add more activator.
More, like more.
That much.
Oh, I put in way more on the first time.
First time doesn't really matter.
One, what do you fast?
You can add a few more drops of green. Actually, I like it how it is.
Am I done? Am I done?
You actually kind of want an extra. Add an extra. No, you gotta keep activating it. I know your arm gets a workout when you make slime.
third one matter?
I don't know. The first two ones don't really matter though.
It's the first one?
I don't know.
Okay. I thought you would know.
You actually kind of wanted to add
You know everything about
first.
I thought you knew everything about slime.
No one knows actually. And keep it in the middle so
Like,
I
you know all the phases. And,
Yeah.
you know.
When you're actually looking.
You're the best at slime, Alice.
Oh, say that again.
Is toy better?
Yeah.
Okay.
My slime's starting to come in shape, James. Look at it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh. Oh. James, I'm doing it. It's not ready. And I know that.
Am I ready?
No. But if you want, you could go on your with your hands.
Oh, is that
That's fine. That's like the normal amount.
oh.
See? Oh, just so you know, when you're mixing it, you actually kind of want to get some activate on your hands so you can, so it doesn't get as sticky. That's what I did. So I poured.
My
it
cat is right. Luna's right below us.
Don't drop the slime. Just saying.
I'm gonna stick on my knees so I don't feel my feet.
My arm. I'm going in with my other hand.
I'm doing my
That's
other.
how we get so much.
I'm doing my other.
stuff on here. Like
I'm
this
doing my
piece.
other hand. I'm gonna go way slower. Look at. I'm going way slower.
This is actually working with my other hand. Okay, just move a little bit so I can read it.
Luna, what are you doing? Just try to look for food.
Oh my goodness gracious. Our cat is being crazy right now.
Luna, what are you doing?
James, gonna get stained another color now. Uh-oh. James, can you pour activator in?
I came prepared with a rainbow shirt. And there's pink, and there's lots of pink on it, so if I get slime on my
Mine
shirt.
has more pink on it. Karma!
Oh, you actually, if you were making mine slime, you would be really prepared.
I can't get her right now. Look at my hand.
I'll go get her.
Okay.
No, she stopped. Okay.
Okay, she stopped. That's good. James, pour magical liquid in my slime, please.
Where's the magical liquid?
Right here.
There.
Don't touch it. Whatever you do.
Okay.
Pour a lot. That's good.
It's a lot so much. Okay. 2 big drops.
That's a lot. James, I think you might be ready to go in with your hands.
Wait,
You wanna
first
go
I
in?
need a bag. I will get bags.
Okay. He's getting bags, I guess. I don't know why, but he is. And I'm just sitting here eating my slime and thinking about raining
Is
tacos.
the right size?
Is it?
Is the right size?
No.
What size? Way bigger? Like the red bags?
Yeah, not the huge ones, the red bags. Yeah, that size.
I need to open one. Because I need to go in.
And right like a diamond.
Basically, this is going
Wait,
to
what are you doing with that bag?
This is your bag.
Okay, what are you doing with that bag?
I'm going in, so when I'm done, I'm going to keep it open.
No, it's gonna get off your hand. Just saying. But James, don't go in yet because just kind of do that. Okay, good.
No, I need to get some on my hand.
Okay, get some in your hand. Touch that part. And activating this part and
Where
then
do I put
activating
this?
the rest. only start with a little bit. It's okay if you overactivate the rest of the part, because the rest is kind of, oop. You can see my bowl. I'm gonna add the goopy part to it, and it won't be over. That's my strategy. I made it up.
Now none of us can pour activator in our hands.
Oh, you can just touch it. That's what I do.
Oh, no. Sticky.
You got activator. Whatever. I'll help you. There's a hair in my sign.
Here, for
A
Luna.
hair.
Well, I did
No,
display.
it's too long for Luna. Look, it's right there. You see it?
Oh, it's probably yours.
No, it's not. My hair is longer than that hair.
Is it one more? Then one more person. It's me.
Yeah, it's got lots of hair. Just saying.
Might be yours.
James, I've never thought of you with bangs. And guess what? You have bangs.
Wait, what are bangs?
I don't have bangs and you do.
They're there.
They're hair that grow like this.
Ask this. One of my son is
Sometimes people put them to the side.
I don't.
Mine are on the side. Mine are like right here.
Luna. You're a good kitty? Yeah, you're a really good kitty. I'll give you a pat with my foot.
If I'm dead, but I'm gonna pay for it. I survived, but I paid for it. You may hear me singing Hamilton, by the way.
I get you all.
My little or My Little Pony. Brown clippers marched on.
Okay, I think I'm done with my slime. Oh. I know, get some on my hands.
There.
Yay!
Our slimes are clearly not done.
They're not?
They're not.
My arms are really tired.
Mine are getting in the face. See, it's a workout. I told you.
You never told me that.
Yes, I did. Guys, rewind the video. You'll see. Comment down below who's right and who's wrong. Is Alice right or is James right?
I'm totally right, because I'm James.
Comment down hashtag Team Alice if Alice is right, if I'm right.
If
Or
hashtag Team Yeet if I'm right.
Hashtag Team James.
No, Team Yeet.
James.
Yeet.
James.
Yeet.
But I automatically won.
No, I win. I automatically won.
I won.
Mine what is
Fluffy
sticky?
slime. Yes, yours is. Fluffy slime is stickier than other slimes.
Look how sticky this is.
My little pony.
Oh no. Oh no, I did not. I thought I was gonna get my shirt, not my.
It isn't. It isn't. Oh, it got on the shorts, and those are gray, pink slime on gray shorts. I'm just telling you that.
I'm not
I
coming
think
through.
my slime needs to be bigger. Your slime is huge. Do you know what that means, James?
What?
I bet you thought I was gonna grab the glue. I'm making my slime fluffy slime. Glittery.
Give me
fluffy
that. I
slime.
want that. I want lots of that.
Your slime is huge though.
I want lots of that, Alice. Like that much.
No, your slime is huge. You don't need it.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I can't get the book.
And
Get
you're not
the bit.
getting the shaving cream bottle messy.
Well, you did.
No, I didn't.
Why do you have slime in your hands?
It was off and now it's on, okay? Look at how much bigger it made my slime. Look at this, James, and it made it a lot like color. Look at this. My little pony. Random singing time. My little pony.
Okay. I don't think Luna likes that. Her ears are going down.
She doesn't like it then. Or she's nervous. I bet she doesn't like it.
and stop doing that.
My Little Pony, My Little Pony.
You see those?
I don't watch My Little Pony. It's just stuck in my head from the movie. The movie's called Playing with.
Oh yeah, Playing with Fire is a good movie.
It is a good movie. My Little Pony, My Little Pony. Do you think we can make slime in 30 seconds?
No. Every 1 minute.
No, more like 20 minutes.
Oh, it's good fun.
I bet I could, because I'm better than him.
What? No, I'm better.
No, I'm better.
I'm better.
No, I'm better.
I'm way better. Like my
No,
first slime. My first slime was the best slime you ever seen.
Yeah, and it was overactivated.
Yeah, it was it had the best activated. Okay, I need to get a bag.
James, your slime is not done. You must go on.
It's not. It is done.
No, it's not.
I'm saying that mine's done.
Then your slime is not finished.
It's finished.
It's just goop.
Mine's finished. Mine's
It's
gonna
gonna
be goop.
go all over the
Mine's
road.
gonna be goop.
Oh, I just realized my slime was overactivated and I added in the shade.
I need my bowl.
James, put it back in the bowl. Here, I'll help
Yeah.
you. I'll help you. Let me just. His slime is perfect. And it's warm.
Warm hands.
You didn't put any activator in it when you shut up. That's why it's like this. James.
Activator in my hands. Activator.
Oh my goodness.
Give me a lot. No, way more.
That's way more. James,
More.
that's plenty.
More.
That's plenty.
Oh yeah, it's way plenty.
Oh, that almost got on my shirt.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands.
I got $20 in my pocket. My little pony, my little pony. No. Okay, good. It didn't stick. This slime is overactivated. That means. There we go. It looks like a poop. There we go. Now it's destroyed. He doesn't have a lot of slime. Now that I think about it. It was all on his hands and I can hear the sink running. My little pony, my little pony. Friendship is magic. I survived, but I paid for it. Now I'm the villain in your history. It's too young life to see. You should know. I should have known the world was wide enough for both Hamilton and me. The world's wide enough. James, your slime is overactivated.
Okay.
That's good.
That's good.
So you don't have that issue again. My slime is better, not overactivated. That was a close one. This one was about to go off the edge. I think his son needs to put on. Oh, that was way too much. That was way too much. Alice, you just added too much glitter. James, get over here. James, guess what I did to your slime? I fixed it. What are you doing behind the camera? James is behind the camera. We can see.
We've been recording for a long time.
Well, I did fix James's slime.
It-
So I guess that's the end of the video.
This video is so long, guys.
How long?
21 minutes.
Okay, that's not that long.
Do you guys want to say goodbye?
So, see you in our next video. Toodles.
Bye. Bye.